Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss Knottie Macrame. In this video, I will guide you through the back two of creating a beautiful weaving table mat, incorporating macrame techniques. As you can see, after weaving, there are groups of 2 cords. In each group, tie one double half hitch using the left cord as the filler cord and the right cord as the working cord. Next, fold an extra cord 90 cm long in half and attach it to the right cord using a reverse lax head knot. Slide it next to the last double half hitch. Continue using the same technique with every group of cords, adding a total of 14 extra cords. Now we have groups of 4 cords. This time we will tie a double half hitch using the last cord in the group as a filler cord and the first cord in the next group as the working cord. Continue tying the same knot with every group of cords. Next, we tie 3 double half hitches with the second cord in the group as the filler cord and the next 3 cords, including the first cord in the next group as the working cords. Don't worry about the gap between the last knot and the knots in the other groups. Just focus on tying the knots evenly across the whole design. Continue tying the same knots with every group of cords. We just finished incorporating macrame techniques into our design to add extra cords. In the next steps, we will continue weaving. First, arrange the last cord in the group and the next cord in the following group to form a new group. Then, fold the 16 metal cords in half and pass its loop through the 2 cords we just arranged. Pin the purple one to mark the beginning. Same as the weaving technique in the last video, twist the long cords and wrap them around the next 2 cords. We continue twisting and wrapping around every set of 2 cords until we reach the bobble pin. We just finished the first row of wrapping. Continue wrap another 4 rows using the same technique. Keep the tension steady and make sure there's no space between the rows. The rows will finish at the bobble pin. As you can see, the last wrap have 5 rows in total, and the 2 rows next to it also have 5 rows. We finish here to ensure our design is round and even. Now we start wrapping again, but this time we will wrap one cord at a time for the rest of the table mat. Continue twisting and wrapping one by one slowly until you reach the bubble pin. This means you complete wrapping the entire row. Continue wrap another 4 rows using the same technique. When finished wrapping, use the pin nail to secure the last wrap. Then we flip the design over. Bring the 2 wrapping cords up and cut it about 8 to 10 cm or 3 or 4 inches. Then get ready for the finishing touch. For the finishing touch, we use a latch hook tool or crochet hook to tuck the ends to the back. First, use a hook tool to go under all the wraps of the first 5 rows on the left side of the cord a little bit. Then, pass the cord on the left through the wraps. Make sure to leave a small loop on top. For the next one, pass the cord on the right through the loop back to front. Then pass it the same way as the last one. Here is the important part. As you can see, the 5 rows at the bottom are the base of the 2 vertical rows where we just pass the cords through. You will need to pass the 2 cords through the 5 rows together to create a cleaner tuck. If you don't do this, the cords will show both sides and it won't look as neat. Tuck the next 2 cords in the same way and also the rest of the cords. Before you tuck the last cord, pass it through the first loop as well to complete the circle. Now we will tuck the 2 wrapping ends into the back. They don't need to go all the way, just the first 5 rows on the top are fine. After that, use a pair of scissors to trim all the ends close to the wrap. And that's it. You just finished your own weaving table mat with cotton cord. If you wish, you can use fabric glue or a glue gun to secure the ends at the back. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you again in the next tutorial. Bye!